Hello everyone, Lurgs here, and today it's the Range Rover tyre pressures and what they should be. It's really important to have your tyres inflated to the correct pressure, not only for safety reasons, but you'll also get better miles per gallon. Just a note, always check the tyre pressures when the tyres are cold, because if you've been out on a long run, the tyres will get warm and the tyre pressures will increase. What you're going to need today is a tyre pressure gauge and a foot pump, or if you've got a modern electronic tyre pressure inflator, that would be perfect. The first thing you need to do is determine what size tyres you've got on your Range Rover. This should be written on the tyre wall and all your tyres should be the same, and on this one it's 255/55 R19. And here is the tyre pressure chart, which you should find either on the driver's inside pillar or the passenger inside pillar. Okay, so if you've got 4 people in the car and you've got these tyres, then the front tyre pressure needs to be 33 psi and the rear tyre pressure 36 psi. Now, if you've got a fully loaded vehicle, this is full of passengers and you've got suitcases and luggage, it's absolutely loaded. Then if you've got these tyres, then the front pressure needs to be 38 and the rear 42. If you've got these tyres, the front pressure needs to be 38, the rear tyre 45. If you've got these tyres, the front pressure 36 and the rear pressure 44. If you've got these tyres, the front pressure 39 and the rear pressure 46. And if you've got these special tyres, probably on your Land Rover, then the front tyre pressures needs to be 60 psi and the rear tyre pressure 60 psi, the same. Once you know what all the tyre pressures should be, then just go around to all 4 tyres and just pump those up to the correct pressures, either using a foot pump or your electronic tyre inflation device. I hope that was useful, safe driving to you, and I'll put some other useful Range Rover videos around the edge of the screen.
I love that.